4-cylinder mods.
Third place goes to Jerry Bardo. Chop. His fastest time was 12.97 seconds.
Photo ornament. Matches the size of your truck. God bless you.
Second place goes to Katie Neeson.
Alright, she's up there.
Hey.
Her fastest time was 12 seconds.
Got it, brother.
And first place goes to Tara Bardo
Imagine that.
with 11.31 seconds.
Hey, look at this. Hey, it's better than shortest distance, right?
Yeah. What do I do? What do we do? Is that row first?
All right. Next class is 6-cylinder stock. Our fastest time, or sorry, our third place winner goes to Katie Kregel with 7.75 seconds. Now 3 people ran that same vehicle. Her brother, and father, and Katie beat them all.
Yeah. Way to go, Katie. Now you know, first time she's ever driven.
Yes, it's also the first time she's ever driven.
Good for you, Katie.
Our second place
Go ahead.
goes to Jonathan Ferrer.
All right, Jonathan. Thanks, brother.
His fastest time was 7.16 seconds. And our first place goes to Stan B.
All right, stand there. Good deal. Hey, you can trade the screw.
See, I knew I had it right.
It was Stan Walchik.
need this later.
All right.
His fastest time was 6.66 seconds.
Thank you.
All right.
We're gonna do 8 mod, or aren't we?
That's up to you. It was all in Barney.
How many people were in front?
Jimbo, Adam, and Lindsay.
It's up to you. Do it.
All right.
Do it.
We ran 3 people in 6 mod. They all 3 ran in Barney. Third place goes to Adam Brobst with a time of 11.66 seconds.
Yeah.
Let's go, Adam.
Second place goes to Lindsay Brobst
Oh, yeah.
with a time of 9.
This is what? Third?
That is third place.
She got you again, son.
And second place goes to his wife,
Yeah.
wherever she's hiding.
Where's she hiding?
Oh, she left? Okay. Oh, well, you gotta take the taller trophy home to your wife.
Oh, there you go.
And the owner of Barney got first place, Jimbo,
Oh,
Whoa.
with a time of 9.47 seconds.
and it even started this time, son. Good deal, kid.
Okay. Okay, 8 stock. Our third place trophy goes to Stephanie Bittner.
She here?
Did Steph leave on us?
Can we present it to Mom and Dad?
We can give it to Mom and Dad. It was Dad's, our big brother, or little brother,
Here's Stephanie.
little brother. Second place goes to Marissa Margalis.
All right, Marissa.
Is your daily driver going to make it home? And
Thanks,
first
Chris.
place goes to Joey Myers.
Joey.
Oh.
Yeah, you did get your sister after all, didn't you?
However, he still had the shortest distance, although he finished it in 2-wheel drive
And nicely reversed.
and a tree. Sorry, Joey, couldn't help it. All right, 8 mod. Our third place winner in 8 mod is Rich Young in the 68 Chevy. His fastest time was 7.56 seconds.
Of course mine's upside down. Why not? Thanks, guys.
Second place goes to John Margalis
Alright, John.
with 6.69 seconds.
Thank you for coming out today, John.
Thanks, John.
And the first place winner goes to Marissa Margalis with 6.19 seconds, which was the fastest time of the day.
Right? Homemade. Yeah.
And Supermod, we only have 2. Our second place goes to Tim Dermody with a fastest time of 8.88 seconds.
Right. Congratulations.
And the first place winner goes to Beth Klinger with the second fastest time of the day at 6.35 seconds.
Good deal, man.
Thank you.
Again, thank you all for coming out.
So let me turn that back on.
Once again, I'd like to thank everybody from myself, the rest of the club. Couldn't do it without you guys. And August 17th, we'll be back down here. Hopefully we see y'all.
Bring your friends.